Hello everyone. In this video, we are finding the value for x and y. So now let's get started. So now, starting with this, I can say that this one is my equation 1, equation 2. So now, first let's take the equation 2. So taking the equation 2, I can move this 6 to the left hand side. So doing so, I'll have my y plus my 6 here equals 1 divided by 3 multiplying my x to the power of 2. So now we try to make x to the power of 2 the subject here. So we multiply through by 3. So doing so, this 3 multiplies the whole of this one. So I'll have my 3y plus my 18 here equals the 3 to multiply this. I'll have my x to the power of 2 here. So now this one becomes my equation 3 here. So with the equation 3, I can substitute it into equation 1 since we have x to the power of 2 here. So in place of x to the power of 2, I'll put 3y plus 18. So doing so, I'll have my 3y plus 18 plus my y to the power of 2 equals my 36 here. So from here, we can form a nice equation by moving this one here or by moving the 36 to the left hand side. So moving the 36 to the left hand side and rearranging this, I'll have my y to the power of 2 plus my 3y here. Now this one moves here, so it becomes negative 18 equals 0. So now we have quadratic equation. So we solve it. So solving it, I'll have my y plus 6 multiplying my y minus 3 all equals 0 here. So finding the value for y, I'll have y equals negative 6 or y equals 3 here. So now let's find the value for x. So in finding the value for x, we substitute y into equation 1. So doing that, when y is negative 6, x squared will be minus negative 6 all squared equals 36. So therefore, my x squared equals 0 here. Therefore, my x equals 0. Now, let's take when y is positive 3. My x squared will be plus 3 to the power of 2 equals my 36. So my x squared will be equal to 27. So from here, we can say that our x will be plus or minus root of 27, which is the same as x equals plus or minus 3 root of 3. So now let's look at our set of x and y values. So when x is negative, when y is negative 6, x becomes 0. So our first set for the equation will be 0, negative 6 for one of the sets of the solution. And the second one too, when x is 3 root 3, our y is 3. That's positive. So I'll have 3 root 3 is to y. That's 3. Then I also have negative 3 root 3, 3. So these ones are our set of the equation here. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.